These viral time travel vlogs, where people film themselves in the past or the future, are blowing up on Instagram right now. Let me show you this account as an example. They've only uploaded a handful of videos, yet almost every one of them is pulling in millions of views. This video reached 4 million views, this one hit 9 million, and their most viral clip passed 10 million views. That momentum helped the creator gain more than 400,000 followers in less than a month. And it's not just this account. New creators are already jumping on the trend and seeing significant growth as well. That's why I believe now is the perfect moment to enter this still untapped niche, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos step by step. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT, open the sidebar, click Explore GPTs, and in the search bar type Time Travel Vlog. Then select this one, scroll down, and start a chat. You can also find the GPT model linked in the description below. Once you're inside the chat, you'll see two options at the top. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put yourself in a vlog, so click that option. The other option works the same way, so you can try it yourself after watching this video. After selecting Put Yourself in a Vlog, the GPT will reply and ask you to fill in a few variables. Here's how to answer them. First, upload a reference photo of yourself, then reply with the location and time period where you want your vlog to take place. In this example, we choose ancient Egypt, during the time when the pyramids were being built. Once you submit that, the GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts for you. Now let's head over to Higsfield. Here, go to the image section and select the model Nano Banana 2. Then jump back to ChatGPT, copy the first text-to-image prompt, and switch back to Higsfield, where you paste the prompt in here. Also, make sure to upload your reference image. Once that's done, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose 2K as resolution, and pick how many images you want to generate. For a faster workflow, we'll select 4 images and click Generate. After the generation is complete, Nano Banana creates an image of our character in a vlog-style scene in ancient Egypt, as if he is witnessing the construction of the Great Pyramids for the first time, with workers in the background carrying out their daily tasks. Now we're going to try the next text-to-image prompt, the one that says, standing beside workers pulling a massive stone block. Copy that prompt, go back to Higsfield, and follow the exact same process. Paste the prompt, choose how many images you want, and click Generate. Next, repeat the same workflow for location prompts 3, 4, and 5. Once everything is generated, you'll see that Nano Banana produced some great image results, each set in a different location. From all the generated images, pick the ones you like the most. For example, I chose these 5 because they fit best with the narrative I want to tell. Now for the next step, we're going to animate these images using Kling 3.0. To access Kling in Higsfield, switch to the video section and select the model Kling 3.0. One of the new features is that you can now generate videos up to 15 seconds instead of the 10-second limit in Kling's 2.6 model. Now let's continue by uploading the start frame. Once it's uploaded, head back to the GPT model, scroll down, and you'll see 5 text-to-video prompts. Copy the first one. Then return to Higsfield and paste the video prompt. Before generating the video, make sure that Enhanced is turned off and that audio is turned on. Then set the duration to 10 seconds and the resolution to 1080 to get high-quality visuals. Then click Generate. Once the video finishes processing, you'll end up with a cool video like this. Let's watch it.
Okay, I think I just time traveled. Behind me is the Great Pyramid being built right now. Look at the size of those stones. I can't believe I'm actually watching this happen.
For the same image, let's now toggle on multi-shot for the next example. As you see, you can choose auto or custom, but I'll be using custom. Once enabled, you can add up to 5 shots, and for each shot, you can describe exactly what happens in the scene. Go ahead and paste the prompts for your first shot, second shot, and so on. Finally, click Generate. After the generation is complete, let's take a look at the result.
Okay, I think I just time traveled to ancient Egypt. Look at this, they're literally dragging giant stone blocks up that ramp. This is insane. There must be hundreds of workers building this thing. I can't believe I'm actually watching the Great Pyramid being built.
Now let's move on to animate the next image. Upload it, paste the video prompt, and click Generate once again. Repeat this process for every image you created using the matching video prompts. By the end, you'll have several short videos that you can later stitch together. Next, download all the videos and open Premiere Pro. Import the clips into your project and place them on the timeline. Next, let's create captions. Go to the transcript section in Premiere Pro and check if there are any mistakes in the script. Then open Captions, click Create Captions from Transcript, and Create. Ensure the position of the captions appear exactly where you want them on the screen, and once you're satisfied, export the video. Now we move on to the next step. We'll use a second video editing app called Edits, created by Instagram. Here we only need to do some light fine-tuning. We want a label at the top of the video that says where the person went. In this example, we type, "I went to Egypt to see how they built the pyramids." Also add an emoji to match the theme. Don't forget to turn on the caption setting that adds a background box behind the text. Center this caption in the middle at the top, then export the video, and you'll get a result like this.
Okay, I think I just time traveled. Behind me is the Great Pyramid being built right now. Look at the size of those stones. I can't believe I'm actually watching this happen. You have to see this. Dozens of workers are pulling this giant block right past me. They're pouring water on the stone sand to help it slide. This is absolutely insane. I'm halfway up the pyramid right now. Look how high this thing already is. Workers are carrying stones past me like it's a normal day. So this is where the pyramid builders actually live. There's bread baking, tools being made, people cooking. It's like a whole city just for the construction crews. The sun is setting and they're still working on the pyramid. Imagine building something this huge without modern machines. This might be the most incredible thing I've ever seen.
And that's it. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.